Okay, good morning, students. So, in this video, we just discuss this topic, inclusion and exclusion principle. This topic is a very uh, important topic, and this topic you people have already studied in your 11th class. So, you see that if here you have two sets, okay, this is set A and this is set B, and you want to count total number of elements in A union B, then the formula for this is number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. Okay, so in the question you are given the three things and the fourth thing can be easily find out. Okay, now if we have three sets, if we have three sets, then number of elements in A union B union C. This is equal to number of elements in A plus number of element in B plus number of element in C minus number of element in A intersection B minus number of element in B intersection C minus number of element in C intersection A plus number of element in A intersection B intersection C. Okay, so basically in the paper questions are asked only for two sets. Okay, if question is given for three sets, then you just apply this formula and then you can easily calculate the value of a number of element in A union B union C. Okay, now we solve some questions. So the very first question is that if x and y are two sets, okay, such that x union y has 50 elements, okay, uh, x has 28 elements and y has 32 elements, okay, how many elements does x union y have? Okay, so solution. This is very easy question. You see that you are given that in x union y you have 50 elements. Number of elements in x they are equal to 28, and number of elements in y they are equal to 32, and number of elements in x intersection y we want to find. Okay, so we apply this formula that number of element in x union y, this is equal to number of elements in x plus number of element in y minus number of element in x intersection y. So number of element in x union y is 50. Here it is 28. Here it is 32 minus number of element in x intersection y. So number of element in x intersection y, this is equal to 60 minus 50. Okay. So what do you get? You get here 10. Okay. So 10 is the answer of this. Okay. In intersection we have 10 elements. Now we solve the next question. Okay. So the next question is this, that in a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics, mathematics or physics. Of these, 12 teach mathematics, okay, and 4 teach both physics and mathematics, physics and mathematics. How many teach physics? So we want to tell that how many teachers teach physics. So you see that the number of people who teach either mathematics or physics, they are equal to 20. Okay. And number of teachers who teach mathematics, okay, they are 12. And number of teachers who teach mathematics and physics both, they are 4. Okay, so we want to find number of elements or number of people who teach physics. Okay, here x represent for maths, mathematics, teacher teaches mathematics, and y represent teacher teaches physics. Okay, now you apply the formula. Now you apply the formula number of element in x union y. This is equal to number of element in x, number of element in y, number of element in x union y. So what it is? It is 20. Number of element in x, it is 12. Number of element in y, we do not know. And intersection, we have 4 elements. Okay. So 20 is equal to 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. So number of element in y, it is equal to 20 minus 8. Mean number of element in y, they are 12. Okay. So number of teacher who teach physics, they are equal to 12. Okay, so thank you very much. This is all about inclusion and exclusion principle. Okay, so the remaining topic will be covered in the next video. Thank you very much, students.